The first step to column multiplication is replacing the times sign with the words lots of. Therefore, 5 times 5 would now be 5 lots of 5, 1 lot of 5, 2 lots of 5, 3 lots of 5, 4 lots of 5, 5 lots of 5. You can do the same thing with numbers with more than one digit. 2 times 12 is the same as saying 2 lots of 12. We can see on the diagram that because you have 2 lots of 12, you have 2 lots of 10 and 2 lots of 2. You can also do the reverse and replace lots of with the times sign. So 2 times 12 is the same as saying 2 times 10 and 2 times 2, instead of saying 2 lots of 10 and 2 lots of 2. Splitting the number up works for all multiplication. So you know what multiplication is. Now how do you put it in a column? Let's do 24 times 4. First, you draw a diagram just like the one for column addition or subtraction, only there's a multiplication sign here instead of the add or the minus sign. The second step is to, like always, start with the ones. You do 4 times 4 gives you 16. Third, like in addition, where you have multiple digits, you put the ones in the answer line and you add the tens to the next column along. You do exactly the same here. So 4 times 4 is 16. The 6 from the ones column goes underneath in the answer line, and the 1 from the tens column, you carry it over to the next column along. The fourth step is to multiply the ones value in the bottom row with the tens value from the top. So 4 times 2 is 8. Fifth, you add the number carried over from the previous sum. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 gives you 9. You then write it in the answer line below. You add after multiplying because you have already done multiplication to get this extra 10. So you don't need to multiply it again. Therefore, 24 times 4 is equal to 96.